Moths in my yarn? Sounds like a nightmare situation, but did you know some of the most luxurious yarn is actually made with the help of these little critters? That's right, silk is made by bugs. Silk is a natural protein fiber spun from the cocoons of the caterpillars of the Bombyx mori, otherwise known as the silk moth. These moths mainly eat the leaves of mulberry trees, so you don't have to worry about them getting into your precious sweaters. Each silkworm cocoon is made from a single strand of wound raw silk that can measure over 3,000 feet long. Multiple cocoon threads are plied together to create silk threads. It can take thousands and thousands of cocoons to create the silk yarn you see on the shelf at your local yarn store. Silkworms were domesticated in China over 5,000 years ago. Fabric of woven silk was found in tombs of Hunan province dating to 3630 BCE. Today, silk is still predominantly made in Asia. Silk gets its shine from a natural prism structure, and it's known for having a smooth, soft texture, making it perfect for drapey projects like shawls. It's one of the strongest natural fibers, but it has little elasticity and can stretch out. Be careful when using 100% silk for garments because they can lose their shape. When mixed with other fibers like wool, silk can provide the strength to the project you're making. Silk is also lightweight and cool to the touch, making it good for summer projects. Have you worked with silk before? Did you know how it was made? Leave a comment and let us know below.